Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dailin. I'm doing a vlog to promote my business online. So for today's video, that's what I'm talking about. So today, while I'm talking here, somebody sent me an offer. So I'm selling 40 and they like, oh, and I gonna send them an offer. So I'm selling 40 and I put 5% and send offer, and if they like if they like the price, and they will buy it. So I have to offer, so I always put 5% discount. So sometimes they like the offer and then they buy the items right away. So guys, I have a lot of items and I've been selling for since 2018. I'm selling clothing online, not only clothing but randomly. Yeah, I'm selling bag, shoes, and sandals, boots, and clothing, winter coat, everything, guys. Clothing I'm selling, even dresses. So I have a lot of items on my store, and I been selling many years already. But even though I didn't promote uh, my EB store, but still a lot of people buying on my store. That's why I'm gonna say EB is the best platform to sell online. That's what I can see, because I focus on that platform and I have a lot of good buyer, and I have a positive feedback, and I like it. So guys, that's what I like on EB, because it's very easy to do. Because when you have clothes already, and then the only thing you need to do is listed it. So you have a space to put. You need to have me personally when I do listing. I have a white like I'm using until now I'm using like I buy in garage sale. I buy tablecloths, and it's color white and it's beautiful. So every time I do listing, I put that on the instead carpet. I put that one, so looks nice and beautiful, and it's clean because it's color white. So sometimes I do also on the wall. It's beautiful also because I have like a mannequin, something like that. So I have that too. So I have a space to listing. So um, I like I the best is sourcing. The best is sourcing, but the listing is a little bit difficult for me because it's hard. You need to have and I'm not too fast on listing until now. So I need to learn about that. How to be how to list fast. So that's what I want to learn more. But everything is nice and everything is okay because okay. So this time I just want to say, when I have items I put aside, and then when I list I put one by one. I take a picture and then after I take a picture, I do all that description thing, everything, and then after that I scale the the items, how much it is, how many pounds it is, and then after that everything is everything is clear already, and then I put here in the plastic bag like this. After I scale it, I put here in a plastic bag and everything listed already, and it's already here. It's already organized, and I put this on the container, and then that's easy. So guys, I used to have a hard time to do all my uh like before, when I first time, that's my struggle when I have sold items. When I have sold items, I have a hard time because I need to dig all the container that I have to get my sold items. That is struggle for me, guys, kasi I have a lot of container already, and then I don't know where I put all my specific thing. So I need to dig every container. So being first time, and I don't know nothing about that before, so it's hard for me. But I learn, and this is what I do. I'm using a QR code now, and then it's easy for me to find out specific item. Where is my specific item at? Every time I have sold items, the only thing I gonna do is search that item on that app that I have on my QR code, and search that item, what is the brand and what is the size and what is the color, and boom, I can see which one container I have. So I have a number, guys. I have a inventory over there. So some of my inventory is here and some downstairs on my house. So I have one room that it's available for all my items to organize. So that one, it's very easy for me to find out where is my items right away. So every time I have sold items, I ship in the next morning as long as I have time, because I like it when my buyer say, they give me a fast positive feedback and say thank you for the fast uh, items I receive right away, like they receive right away the items, because sometimes if you don't um like you have 3 days to you have 3 days to ship that items, but if you have time, you can do right away. If you have sold items, and then do it right away, print the label and dig the items, and then prepare it and then send it. That's very easy, and it's money. So if you are willing uh, to have a profit, you need to do it. This so this business, guys, is not, I'm not telling you that it's easy money, but this business is not easy like overnight success. This business, it's make you encourage yourself that you can learn every day, every day. That's what I do. So before, I don't know how to organize my listing. I don't know how to organize my inventory, but now I learn how to organize it, and now it's easy for me to do. So I have a lot of things to learn more. for this business, but I've been selling since 2018, but it's not consistent. I always do, um, like I'm consistent, but I don't do listed every day before. That's why I didn't notice a result, much result, because I didn't be consistent. So now I now I learned that when you do listing every day, it's make it's make my store happy. It's make my store active, and then I have a lot of buyers every time I do that. Every time I do that, like listing every day, that's what I noticed, that all the time is have somebody's buying like right away every time I do listing. If you do consistent, that's what I'm saying. If you do consistent everyday listing, I don't know how many or specific, but I don't know how's the algorithm of eBay, but that's what I learned. When I do listing every day, that's how I make more money every day. So guys, I just want to share video. I'm not I'm not I'm not shy to share all this because I like it, and and if you have a business, guys, you are the boss and you know how to run your business and willing to learn more about it, right? That's what I do. So now I just want to show you that yesterday and today I do listing again. And then I don't have enough container because all my container is occupied, so I put everything here in the trash bag. But it's already uh it's already in the plastic bag. It's already organized, and then I will buy a container for it, and like this it's already organized there, and um it's already organized, and then I just need to do a QR code for this and then put aside on the uh where I put this one. So that's what I do, guys, on my everyday life. So I do listing, sourcing every sometimes, guys, they have in our neighborhood over here, they have a uh, garage sale. So most of my items is came from garage sale, and then all the garage sale over here, guys, it's very nice, clean and beautiful clothes. So I don't like to buy the clothes if it's already like very used, but I buy only like excellent condition and I like the price. I will buy it and flip it because it's worth it. So most of the time, guys, I buy my items in garage sale because in garage sale you can buy low price but still beautiful, and you can flip very good price. Because before, when I'm learning about this business, I always go to like thrift store or Goodwill, but that's what I notice. I spend money like $10, $15. It's not cheap also in Goodwill. That's what I noticed because you can buy in Goodwill like $5 or $2 or $1, but in garage sale, the sometimes, guys, in garage sale you can even buy a 75 cents or 50 cents clothing. or Lululemon or Athleta shirt. Sometimes they sell it $1 or 50 cents. So I buy everything. If they have a price like that, I will buy everything. All the short as long as excellent condition, because I can flip it very good price in here in eBay. So in the comparison about Goodwill, is hard to find a cheap clothing, especially like short. You need to buy like $5. So sometimes it's not that practical to do that. So here in my town, they have a lot of garage sale every summer. So since uh, April, starting April, they already have a garage sale. So that's why I'm busy every they start Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday sometimes. So it's depend, guys. If have houses that they selling sometimes Wednesday, Thursday, and some people also selling uh Friday, Saturday, and sometimes some people uh selling Saturday, Sunday. So sometimes it's not the same. So sometimes I see on the marketplace here in my phone in our close by here. So sometimes I see it, so I go right away if I see a lot of nice things and worth it. So I need to go there even a little bit far away, like 20 minutes drive. I will do it if it's worth it, because you can see on their listing that what they have, especially like they have like active wear or nice clothing. I will go right away, guys. So sometimes I do a jackpot garage sale because they will sell very cheap, especially when I buy a lot of stuff from them. They will give me a discount, so that's a win-win. So that is my story about my selling business. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you like my video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up and comment below, and I will say thank you to you for watching my video. Bye.